Right, welcome back to the channel. Just a short video today. I've been doing a lot on the actual videos themselves. I'm trying to get back up to 2 videos a week. At the moment I'm currently just putting out 1 video. In the description below is a link to my Facebook page. I've put up 3 new intros. I've had a few comments. I always appreciate people's feedback, people's comments on the channel and how I present myself, how the volume, anything to do with the channel is always much appreciated. I did have one comment about the intro that I have been using for some time, that it was quite long. I have looked at other channels and yeah, some are shorter, some are longer, but some people don't like the fact that I think with the disclaimer in there, I think it was nearly 23 seconds, maybe 24 seconds. So I've actually come up with 3 different intros. I'll show you them now. So like I said, with these intros, they're not completed intros as yet. They're still in development. I can make changes. It is just to give me an idea of which one people prefer before I completely finish one of the 3 intros. So if you can let me know, most appreciated. These were released on Facebook probably a week or so ago. And I've asked people to basically have a look, watch each one, see what you think, give me your comments, and like which one out of the 3 you actually prefer. So as I say, that poll's been running now from Facebook for probably about a week. So if you want to pop across, link in the description to my Facebook page, or let me know in the comments box below, either 1, 2 or 3, which one do you prefer? I'm always looking at ways to actually improve the channel, improve the videos. In time I will look at better microphone. At the moment I just use the microphone that's actually built into the camera. Again, I always appreciate any suggestions on microphones. I have seen a couple of channels that use a microphone that clips. I haven't really looked into it. I don't know whether it's sort of a Bluetooth or how that exactly works. But as I say, I always appreciate the feedback. I try and make the videos the best I can. I learn as I go. I'm still learning in editing. I use a basic editing suite at the moment. I'm always looking at ways to improve intros, to make the videos pop a little bit further. I'm still learning about titles and keywords, hashtags, etc. So any input is most appreciated. But if you can let me know on the 3 intros, just to get your opinions, get your feedback. I say they are slightly different. I am using the new logo. For those of you that aren't familiar, I'll show you a picture of the new logo. That is the big banner logo, which I will now be using. But as I say, any feedback on the channel is always greatly appreciated. I'm always trying to better the channel, make it more presentable, more enjoyable, trying to increase the content and make it as interesting as I can. Keep the comments coming. I've had such wonderful comments of people that are like, I've inspired them to actually have a go, which is fantastic. That's what the channel is all about. It's trying to inspire people to have a go, learn, try. I learn as I go. That's all I've ever done. I make mistakes. It's part of learning. For those people that have emailed me with they've started their own projects and they've watched my videos and it's helped them along, if you're on Facebook, again, pop across to my Facebook page. I'd love to see your progress, how you're doing, what bikes you're working on. I'm still trying to grow the Facebook page. Instagram and Patron are still on hold at the moment until I can get more time to actually spend on social media. It is as many of you know, it is quite a time consuming. I say, obviously I try and get the videos done. I'm on Facebook, I've got Patron, I've got Instagram, I've got Twitter. Twitter I don't deal with as much as I used to. Instagram I want to get back into, but I'm always interested of how your progress is going, what you're working on, even if it's just a basic maintenance. You know, what bikes have you got? I'm always interested. So as I say, links in the description below, comments in the comments box below. I'll get it right eventually, I do get there. But say, I need your feedback, really appreciate it. As I say, join me again next time, we'll be back on the bikes. Thanks for watching, cheers, bye.